Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add stickers on Discord. So let's start. First, you have to open your browser and go to stickers.gg. Here, you can see different types of custom-made Discord stickers. You can see anime, meme, and cute stickers that you can download and add on Discord. For example, I want this sticker, so I will click on it and I will click this button to download the sticker. So to add sticker on Discord, first open the application. Then click this drop down button beside the server's name. Here, click on server settings. In this page, click stickers. You can see that we can only upload 5 stickers right now. Every time you level up, the number of stickers that you can upload also increases. You just need to boost the server to level up. So to add sticker, click this upload sticker button. Here, click browser and choose the sticker you want to add. After that, click here to select the related emoji. Also, enter the sticker name and its description. After that, click upload. If you want to see your uploaded sticker, go to any text channels. Click the sticker icon and here you will see the sticker. Just click it and you will be able to add it into the chat. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to add stickers on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.